Guys, sorry for the horrible videos recently. But don't worry, because I'm back with some heat. Don't press the button for trolling your part 3. Big number 3. We got VIP, and now we have this. Hello? Where's the music playing? Hello? Why is it not playing? There we go, that's better. Get 150 per one. And we got a Christmas store with some offering, like joining. You shall not touch it, speak command. Great stream research happened. Oh, bro gave up. Yeah, back. Such a rich player. You should. You know what? No, I'm getting sick of you. I'm getting sick of you. You wanna get away, boy. Merry Christmas, y'all. Stop it, don't agree. Let's see if I fall. I still got 25 Robux. Okay, let's just out. I have exactly enough for 300. There we go. Purchased 300. I broke now. He's like, it's stuff to change up. How am I first? I did not even beat it. Mouth, help me, help. I'm dead, I'm dead, I am dead. Ah! This might be one of the most least painful games ever. Also, remove beginner protection, please. It's so annoying. Go, 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 go. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Listen, don't tell me this guy has beginner protection. You little security cat. I guess you have beginner. Oh, you're one of those anime guys who doesn't have beginners. Y'all like the new drip? Y'all like it? Banger alert! This may be one of the best musics ever. Just listen, banger alert, 3, 2, 1. You cannot tell me this is not fire shot. I'm literally in the fire. I seem like an archer. Whew! Clutched. Go, 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 go. Yeah! I killed both of them! Yeah, 2 people crashing out so hard yesterday or a couple days ago, I had to mute them. Come on, you too scared? You too scared? Oh, this guy's actually good at dodging. Oh, psych! Where is bro? Oh, I feel bad. I love doing this so much. I said, maybe we should spice it up a little bit. Told you I'm back with some genuine heat. Oh, snowballs. Come on, that's a Christmas tradition. Get them a present. Good. How the... Where's the spider? Did bro actually turn into a flipping spider? Yeah, you think you're so cool. Hey? You think you're so cool. Exactly. Bert Turkers. Oh, I should save bro's life. There's a portal! There's the ender pearl. I think it ends around when you hold it. Say, oh, you need gears slow. Nope. I can do this whole thing right over again without any gears. Look. How do you think I got this? Because I don't spend Robux that often. That was hilarious! You all will not be able to cross the whole. Oh no, domain balls. Domain expansion. Norby? What the? Whoa. I did not see that. Oh wait, it was that explosion. Explosive button. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Fine, fight me. Get you off. Yeah, but I'm gonna do main expansion. Where was that? Oh, that. These people are so scared just standing there due to my aura points. No, this is my area. This is where I collect stuff. Do you want to get back to the underworld, bro? Oh, you really think you're so safe? You think you're so safe just for being small? Think again, buddy! Where is that? He never even got the option to win. No! The nature! Oh. No. No, I'm not accepting this. We do not accept this. Which one had the nature sword? I swear I will get my revenge. Guys, I know I said that already, but you like to drip? Gingerbread wings, Santa Claus hat. Loki, I cooked with the gingerbread wings. I don't know how I found these. They're so cool. That's my fault. Don't saw that. I'm not gonna share YOLO. Exactly, get away. This is my spot. Did you see? Remove this. Remove this. I'm just gonna annoy this girl. That's way better. Thank God she doesn't have beginner protection. Oh, I can farm gifts. I can farm them. This is a VIP item, I think, or a Robux item. Oh. Yes, I don't know how I got. You really think you're so slick? You think you're so slick? You think you're slick? Tape measure. Yeah. Can you hurry? Let's no blue play. Oh, you think you're so slick again? Oh, you. There we go. Yeah. Yo, my turn.
No, Mason only got TikTok.
Bro. I will crash out. I will crash out. Go. Go. Oh my gosh. Play the raining tacos again. From out of the sky. Tacos. No need to XY. Nope, I'm the better player. I'm leaving. I'm not dealing with this one. This thumbnail looks like a rip-off game. Is that just me? Let's go back in. What you over asking for? Start the music. 4,000 rounds. VIP. It's rain the butt cheeks. Merry Christmas, y'all. My Christmas gift from you guys with you having an awesome day. No, subscribing. But more of you guys having an awesome day. I didn't want to do a YouTube channel for the for making slop. We're just gonna get a cash grab. The dream has always meant to be a YouTuber, so doing this right now really means a lot to me. I want to be recognized and noticed. It seems like I'm not some random person in the abyss. I want to seem like that person. I want to seem like a person who actually matters who he abandoned me. Just, you know, you matter to me. You are useful. Don't think like me. Please. You're important. more important than you think.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky.
Have an awesome day. Gonna be wrapping it up.
Just open your mouth.
Have an awesome, possum, alley, awesome day. Merry Christmas. La 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 la.